Hi, I'm Mike, owner of the In-Groove in Phoenix, Arizona. Today I'm doing some Record Store Day Drop number 3 unboxings. This is for drop number 3, October 24th. All this stuff can be purchased online at our website at www.theingroove.com starting at 1 o'clock Eastern Time. Cheap Trick, live 1977. Cheap Trick, I've seen them, one of the bands I've seen the absolute most in concert because it's always like a $20 show and it's always been really, really good. They put on a great live show. Seen them in Vegas a few times when they were doing the Sgt. Pepper album front to back. But that 70s era stuff is fantastic. This says newly mixed from the original multi-track tapes. Previously unreleased vintage 1977 live performances at the Hollywood's legendary Whisky a Go-Go. Yeah, that is super cool. Sticker on the front. Spot gloss front. This looks like a pretty solid high quality release. Double. More spot glossing on the back. Unfortunately, it's paper inner sleeves. Looks like there's a download card on the inside. Reproduction Epic label. You know, that's 70s style Epic label. Vinyl looks pretty clean. Little bit of paper scuffing. It's flat. Yeah, a little bit of paper scuffing. It ain't perfect. But yeah, that is disc 1. So that is your liner notes. There is no insert. Let's check out side C and D. Look at that. What is that? I'm guessing that's, look at that. That's actually a human hair. You can see the little root on the end. So you can tell, guys, records are very handmade. So some paper inside, you know, because they didn't use a poly-lined inner. But the record looks clean. We're going to throw it in the ultrasonic and get the dust off from the... Actually, there's a little bit of warp on this one. You can actually see there's a little bit of rise there. But shouldn't be a problem. It should play nicely. I think a lot of this came from a lot of the... You know, I've noticed a lot more warps on drop number 3 than I did with the first 2. And I think a lot of that comes from the fact that these things were made probably a year ago almost now. And they were held for later on in the year because of COVID. And they probably weren't stored. You know, they probably were stored in boxes laying flat, and that's causing issues. Would be my best guess with some of the Record Store Day stuff I found this year. But don't forget, guys, you can get this all online at our website starting at 1 o'clock Eastern. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time.